Welcome to today's episode of Steady Improvement. We are going to talk about how to make an offer. So let's dive into it. The key to sales is to make people an offer so good they would feel stupid saying no. So in order to make a really good offer, we need first to know what is an offer. The only way to conduct a business is through a value exchange. You give me X amount of dollars and I give you value. And the offer in itself is what initiates this trade. In a nutshell, the offer is the goods and services you agree to provide or give, the terms of agreement, and how you accept payment. If you don't have an offer, you won't have a business and you won't have anything to sell. One of the most important components in order to make a really good offer is not to get commoditized by the customer. If they want to buy your apples and you sell apples, they might just find the vendor who has the lowest price. If a customer compares your product and thinks all of these three offers are pretty much the same, then you have been commoditized. Here is where the really good offer comes in. So, what is a really good offer then? It's an offer you present to the marketplace that cannot be compared to any other product or service available, combining an attractive promotion and an unbeatable guarantee with a money model that allows you to get paid to get new customers, forever removing the cash constraint on business growth. In other words, it allows you to sell in a category of one, or to apply another great phrase, to sell in a vacuum. The resulting purchasing decision of the prospect is now between your product or nothing. This is exactly what we want. We want our product to be different and almost impossible to be compared with something else by the customer. We want to get out of the pricing war and get into a category of one. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Steady Improvement, and I hope that I've helped you in your journey of leveling up your sales skills. Take care. Bye.